Here's how to add multiple photos to one Instagram story. Now here I have my Instagram app open. I'm going to walk you through these simple steps to be able to add multiple photos in a collage. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on your profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on the little plus next to your profile, or alternatively you can tap on the plus at the top left. And then tap on story right here midway down. You can see it usually defaults to the camera roll. If it doesn't default to the camera roll, just tap on a photo from your camera roll. It doesn't matter which photo you choose here. We're not going to actually use this photo, so just choose something random. After you've done that, tap the drop down arrow at the top right. The drop down arrow. And then tap on draw, this little squiggly mark right here. After we've done that, we're going to choose the background color for this story. In my case, I'm just going to choose this green color. And I'm going to press and hold on the screen, and you can see the entire screen turns to that color. That's why basically the old photo that we put on there doesn't matter. Next, tap on the done button at the top right. And now let's start adding some photos. So right under the AA is the sticker icon. Just tap on this sticker icon. And then from here, you're going to look for photo. There it is. If you don't see it, just search for it. And on here, I'm going to start adding some photos. Let's say I wanted to add this photo first. I can tap on it and then pinch it in and out to kind of crop it to exactly what I want. And then I can tap done, and I can also just pinch and zoom it, and I can also rotate it and put it exactly where I want. Now let's create more photos in this collage by tapping this sticker again. And then you can see camera roll. I can go down, and then I can choose another photo. Let's say this one, and you'll be able to see I can move it down here, and I can rotate it. And then let's just add one more on here. Let's add this one on here as well. So I've added these 3 orchid flowers on here, and I'm ready to go. Next, just tap the share button at the bottom right, and you can share it to your story with multiple photos in just that one Instagram story. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.